Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to write video scripts in ChatGPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to write like video scripts in ChatGPT, you need to go and tap open your ChatGPT app or website. Once you open it, you need to start with a clear and detailed prompt that includes the video's topic, purpose, target audience, and tone. So all you gotta do is simply, if possible, provide the video itself by tapping on the attach button and describe what the video is about, or let ChatGPT analyze what the video is about. And if you are not providing any videos, then you can simply provide a detailed prompt like define the core information, include specifics, use a strong structure, allow it to use hooks, intro, body, or call for action. And now once you get the output, you can simply refine the output according to your wish or according to your preference. You can request a specific change, iterate on the script, and simply have it incorporated with external information. So this way you can write video scripts in ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.